Replacing the CX-9 model in Mazda's lineup, the 2024 Mazda CX-90 was designed to convey a premium look and feel, engineered to have the driving satisfaction Mazdas are known for. Let's have a walk around the 2024 Mazda CX-90 for a closer look at what makes this all-new SUV. Starting with the engine, the CX-90 is equipped with a 280 horsepower, 3.3-liter i6 engine with a Sky-Active Drive 8-speed automatic transmission and gets an EPA estimated 25 miles per gallon combined. The CX-90 fires to life with a remote start system as well as push-button start. Inside the CX-90, you'll find a wireless phone charger and Wi-Fi hotspot. There's also 3-zone climate control, plus heated front and rear seats. With regards to seating, the CX-90 can comfortably seat up to 7 people with available second-row captain's chairs. Accessing the rear cargo area can be done through the hands-free automatic liftgate. In terms of technology, the CX-90 sports a 12.3-inch screen with a built-in navigation system and available head-up display. The available Bose premium sound system is equipped with 12 speakers, while Apple CarPlay and Android Auto come standard. When it comes to standard safety, the CX-90 is equipped with lane keep assist with blind spot monitoring. It also includes automatic emergency braking, adaptive cruise control, and traffic sign recognition. The CX-90 offers available rain-sensing windshield wipers. Additional safety features include the 3D surround parking camera that is great for seeing behind you. Moving to the exterior, you'll find 21-inch alloy wheels. Look a little higher to get a load of the heated, power-folding mirrors that can be controlled on the driver's side door panel. The rear of the vehicle features sleek LED taillights. And finishing off our walk-around of the CX-90 are the LED headlights. For more information on the latest cars, trucks, and SUVs, visit the Capital One Auto Learning Center in the link below.